Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix boost unavailable on Facebook page. So there's actually multiple reasons why you'll have the boost function not available in your account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we want to do here is we want to go to our profile itself. So just go to your profile for now. And by default, if you have your page, you should have the boost option here. But sometimes there's actually particular reasons or even particular scenarios that will actually disable your boost option here. So if you've accidentally shared inappropriate content, or if Facebook deemed your post inappropriate, then there's actually grounds for them to remove the boost feature on your account. Now here, if you don't have the boost post, it's going to say something else. You just need to click on learn more, and from there you'll just need to submit a review for your account. Now from there, you just need to state why you want to have a review. Like for example, say that you've accidentally posted something inappropriate and you've already asked for the apologies, or you've given your apologies to your followers about that content, and from there just basically ask for a review on your account, and hopefully they will enable your boost post feature again into your account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.